How to comment GIFs on Instagram. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. The first step is to open up Instagram on your device. Now find a post where you want to comment the GIF and then tap on the comment icon. Now here you can find the GIF icon right here. Tap on that option and from here you can choose any GIF and then send it. So it might take some time to load. So here you can see there are different GIFs, and if you want to send a particular one, you can search it from here as well. So from here, you can tap on whichever GIF that you want to send in your comment. So let's say this one. And here you can see you have successfully commented a GIF on Instagram. So if this feature is not shown to you on your Instagram, when you tap on comment, there is no such option of GIF, then one of the things that you can do is head over to your Play Store and here you want to search for Instagram. Once you search for it, if you find the update button, then you want to tap on update and then update your app to the latest version. Once the app has been updated, this feature should get rolled on your Instagram app as well. But if even after updating your app, this feature is not available, then you just have to wait for a couple of days because Instagram rolls out new features for different regions first and then later on it expands to different other regions. So just wait for some time and this feature will be available, and that is how you can comment GIFs on Instagram. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.